a major city is a dynamic experience that offers a perfect mix of excitement and convenience. I moved to the city centre a few years ago, and although adapting to the fast-paced lifestyle was initially quite challenging, I have come to appreciate the endless opportunities it provides. There is a certain vibrancy here that is hard to match anywhere else. My weekdays are structured around a busy routine. Like most cities, my morning commute involves navigating the daily rush hour. Driving is out of the question because navigating through constant gridlock and searching for expensive parking spaces is simply too stressful. Instead, I rely on the underground metro system, which is surprisingly efficient despite being incredibly crowded. On my way from the station to the office, I usually pass by a busy pedestrian zone and make a quick stop at my favourite bakery for a takeaway coffee. The weekends, however, are when I truly get to enjoy the cultural side of the city. I love visiting the museum district, where there is a wide range of world-class art galleries and historical exhibitions to explore. Afterward, I usually meet up with friends at a trendy cafe in one of the city's more bohemian neighbourhoods. We sit outdoors, discuss current events, and do some people watching. By the afternoon, we often head to the main shopping district, which features a mix of high-end department stores, vintage shops, and local boutiques. Even if we don't intend to buy anything, window shopping is always a great way to pass the time. When evening falls, the city's nightlife begins to emerge. The streets light up with glowing neon signs, and there is a buzz in the air. My friends and I love trying different cuisines, so we frequently book tables at diverse restaurants. Later, we might attend a play at the theatre, catch a film at an independent cinema, or unwind by taking a stroll through the Central Park. To be fair, city life does have its disadvantages. The cost of living is undeniably high. Air pollution can be a concern, and the noise levels can occasionally be overwhelming. However, I believe the advantages such as career prospects, cultural diversity, and social activities far outweigh the downsides. For me, the city isn't just a place to live. It's a lifestyle that keeps me motivated,